Okay.
Right now? Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, what do you want me to do now? Do it again?
Yeah.
I'm going fast, okay?
Do something else.
I don't know anything else. What's nice?
Do that heel thing.
This?
No.
What's this?
No, that one thing where you jump up in there and click your heels.
Oh! Here we go. It didn't work. I'm trying to again. So then I'm going to do the shark straight after, okay? Come on, bro, you have to do it with me. Come on, please.
I'm a party pooper. Wait.
Please try to give Brooke the camera, man, and you're trying with me.
No.
Do it.
I look retarded. I'll do the back one, okay?
Okay. Here we go. Ready? Go. Yeah.
Socks on.
Retards.
We might help. What's I'm gonna go low.
You're a party pooper.
Ow.
I'm downstairs.
Do it again, Megan.
Boom. That's all I know how to do. Yeah! Right, and that back. Bam! Bam! Be Irish. Remember Amber? Amber Irish. Irish.
I really am Irish. You know I'm 1/4 Irish.
Huh?
And I got a little bit of Scottish in me.
Okay. I'm really okay. I can't be a machine.
Jared Simpson is a
Blue
devil's child. What did you do to me?
What? What? I can't see it, Megan.
Kinda.
He's a devil child.
Devil's child. Relax.
She's the devil. She's the devil. She's going pee.
I'm Harper.
Bye, Hope.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye. Bye.